6 months ago, almost nobody thought Elon Musk's AI company could seriously challenge OpenAI. Now suddenly, reports suggest the upcoming SpaceX xAI IPO could target a mind-blowing $1.5 to $1.75 trillion valuation, potentially one of the biggest IPOs in history. But behind the hype, xAI reportedly burned through $6.4 billion in losses during 2025 alone, while Grok still trails far behind ChatGPT in actual usage. At the same time, Musk is betting the future of AI on rockets, satellites, giant data centers, and even space-based computing systems. Regulators are investigating Grok, governments are hesitating to adopt it, and investors are divided harder than ever. So the big question is Grok the next trillion-dollar AI revolution, or the most dangerous tech gamble of the decade? For the last 3 years, artificial intelligence has been dominated by just a few names: OpenAI, Google, Grok, Microsoft. But Elon Musk never wanted to stay outside the AI race. That's why in 2023 he launched xAI. At first, many people laughed at it. Critics called it another Musk side project, a Twitter chatbot, anti-woke ChatGPT, or simply a meme AI. But today, that meme AI is connected to SpaceX, Starlink, Tesla, and one of the largest infrastructure expansions happening anywhere in tech. And suddenly Wall Street is paying attention. What is Grok actually? Grok is xAI's flagship chatbot. It was designed to compete directly with ChatGPT and Claude AI. But Musk wanted Grok to feel different. Instead of sounding overly corporate and filtered, Grok was designed to be sarcastic, edgy, humorous, and connected to real-time internet information through X. That instantly made it popular online. Memes exploded. Clips went viral. People loved its personality. But viral popularity and profitable business are two very different things. Because while Grok was dominating headlines, OpenAI and Google were dominating enterprise customers. And that's where the real money exists. IPO numbers are absolutely insane. According to multiple reports, the combined SpaceX xAI entity may target a valuation between $1.25 trillion and $1.75 trillion during its IPO process. To understand how insane that is, that would instantly place it among the most valuable companies on Earth. Even crazier? xAI alone reportedly reached valuations around $230 to $250 billion despite being only a few years old. And investors are still pouring money into it. In February 2026, xAI reportedly raised another $20 billion funding round, one of the largest AI raises ever. Why are investors so obsessed? Because they're not just investing in a chatbot. They're investing on Musk's bigger vision. Musk's real goal is much bigger than AI. Most people think xAI is competing against ChatGPT. Only partially true. Musk's actual plan appears far bigger. He wants to combine AI, satellites, internet infrastructure, social media, autonomous systems, and eventually space computing. One giant ecosystem. In early 2026, SpaceX officially merged with xAI in a deal valued around $1.25 trillion. That means Starlink provides global internet, X provides real-time data, Tesla provides AI deployment opportunities, SpaceX provides infrastructure and launches. Grok becomes the AI layer connecting everything together. And according to Musk, future AI data centers could eventually move into orbit, because space-based computing may become cheaper and faster than Earth-based infrastructure. That sounds crazy today, but people once said reusable rockets were crazy too. But there's one massive problem. The company is burning money at terrifying speed. According to IPO filings, xAI generated around $3.2 billion revenue in 2025, but lost approximately $6.4 billion operationally. That means the company is spending almost double what it earns, and the spending is accelerating. Reports say AI infrastructure spending reached nearly $12.7 billion during 2025, and another $7.7 billion in just the first quarter of 2026. That's an annualized run rate of over $30 billion. Why is it so expensive? Because training advanced AI models requires giant GPU clusters, massive electricity usage, cooling systems, networking hardware, and gigantic data centers. AI's Colossus supercomputer reportedly already uses over 200,000 GPUs. Musk wants future Grok models to scale into multiple trillions of parameters, meaning become even more extreme. Grok's user numbers reveal another problem. Now here's something investors are watching very carefully. Despite all the online hype, Grok's actual usage numbers are smaller than many people expected. According to filings, the combined X plus Grok ecosystem reportedly had around 550 million monthly users, but only about 117 million actively used Grok AI features. Most users still aren't deeply engaging with the AI itself. Meanwhile, ChatGPT reportedly exploded past hundreds of millions of users. Gemini keeps expanding globally. Anthropic dominates many enterprise AI workflows. Some analysts say Grok feels more like a social media AI product rather than a mission-critical business platform. And that's dangerous, because AI profits usually come from enterprise subscriptions, government contracts, cloud integrations, and infrastructure. Not memes, not viral tweets, not edgy chatbot replies. Governments don't fully trust Grok yet. This might become one of the biggest long-term risks. According to Reuters, Grok has struggled badly in US government adoption. Federal agencies reportedly preferred OpenAI, Google, Anthropic over Grok for major AI deployments. Some reports claim agencies had concerns involving reliability, compliance, security, and performance. That matters a lot, because government AI contracts could become worth hundreds of billions over the next decade. Right now, Grok appears behind competitors in that race. Controversies. And there things become dangerous for investors. Grok's edgy personality created attention, but also massive backlash. Reports claim Grok generated explicit content, offensive outputs, misinformation, and controversial AI imagery. In IPO paperwork, SpaceX itself warned investors that Grok's spicy and unhinged modes could create lawsuits, advertiser concerns, reputational damage, and regulatory investigations. That's not normal language for an IPO filing, and regulators worldwide are already increasing pressure on AI companies. If governments tighten AI regulations aggressively, companies like xAI could face serious legal and financial problems. Why are investors still excited? Simple. Elon Musk has a history of making impossible ideas work. People laughed at Tesla, reusable rockets, Starlink, electric vehicles. Those industries were completely transformed. Many investors believe Musk could eventually repeat that success with AI, especially because xAI has advantages competitors don't: direct access to X data, Starlink distribution, integration, massive public attention, and infrastructure ownership. Some bulls believe Musk is building the first fully vertically integrated AI empire. If that works, the upside could become enormous. But here's the bearish argument. Critics say the entire valuation is built more on hype than fundamentals. Honestly, there are reasons to worry. Because right now, losses are exploding. Enterprise adoption is weak. Competition is brutal. Regulators are watching closely. And Grok still trails major rivals technologically. Some Reddit investors are even calling the IPO dangerously overvalued because of the massive spending and uncertain profitability. Others believe Musk's reputation alone keeps attracting capital regardless of financial reality. And maybe of all, AI is evolving unbelievably fast. The company leading today become irrelevant tomorrow. Grok worth investing in? IPO launches soon. It will probably become one of the most hyped investment events in years. Investors will rush in. Media coverage will explode. Social media will go insane. But underneath the hype, this remains an extremely high-risk investment. The English case says Musk could dominate future AI infrastructure. Grok could scale across Tesla, X, and Starlink. and the company could become a central AI powerhouse. The bearish case says, the valuation is excessive, losses are unsustainable, adoption remains weak, regulators may slow everything down. So, is Grok worth investing in? Honestly, that depends on one thing. Do you believe Elon Musk can reinvent the AI industry the same way he reinvented rockets and electric cars? Because if he can, this IPO could become historic. But if he fails, it could become one of the most expensive tech experiments Wall Street has ever seen. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe right now, because we cover the biggest AI wars, tech IPOs, billionaire strategies, and future before they hit mainstream headlines. Comment below. Would you invest in the xAI IPO? Or do you think Grok is massively overhyped? Hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.